I'm Venkatesh, Managing Director of Vesat Renewables Private Limited, which is into manufacture and marketing of a wide range of solar products for the past 32 years. Today we had a seminar in energy efficiency and power quality of the grid for renewable energy purposes. Seminar in Eshwar College of Engineering, which is very interesting, and the campus has developed a lot. And today we could able to address the students on this subject, and the students were highly motivated and interactive. And it was an eye-opener for the students to get into entrepreneurship. So today, this seminar will invoke the minds of the youngsters to become entrepreneurs. I request Eshwar College to do a lot of programs in the area of energy sector, which is the thrust area which is coming up in the country, and to enlighten the students on the opportunities similar to this seminars happening today. So thank you very much.